Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Explorer. Stock number is A7822. Starting right away up front, you do have front parking sensors. Those are going to keep you very safe in those close quarter parking lot situations. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row seating as well. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Explorer on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.